Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to get started on what will probably end up being part one of maybe 2 or 3 videos for our chicken coop build. I got some plans online from Coast Craftsman here on YouTube. He has his own build video as well as some featured videos. I'll leave links to those in the description. But there's going to be a lot of time lapse, a little bit of voiceover, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I want to take a moment here to kind of talk briefly about my super cool tool belt that you might have noticed by now. This was made by my fiance by a retired fire jacket. It was out of service, and I just cut off the pockets, gave her the idea, and she rolled with it. But I'm finding it difficult right now to develop habits because I'm used to not having it. So, you know, speed square ends up over there, tape measure over there. But putting things back in a pocket is turning out to be quite a hard thing to remember. It's kind of like, I'm used to throwing it on the ground, but now I've got somewhere to put it, like the saw.